Hi, welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Moving with Goldie. Guys, in today's episode, I'm going to talk about a very important question. People are asking me this question so many times. So finally, I decided I should make a video and explain it, what exactly you need to do in this situation. Now, the question is very simple. Sir, what if I'm working on a cruise ship? How I'm going to send money to my family? Now, answer to this question is very simple. First thing, how you going to get paid? Now it also depend on company to company. If I talk about myself, I work for a franchisees and I have this account which is called Ocean Pay. So my salary directly come into that account. So what I have, if I want to send money to my family, I have two choices. I can either do net banking or I can remove the cash from the ATM, go to Western Union, MoneyGram and other money transfer providers and send it from there to my straight away to Indian bank account. Many cruise ships still give salary in cash. So all you have to do, take the cash, go to the MoneyGram or Western Union and transfer money from there to your personal bank account, your mother, your father, your sister, or your personal account, wherever you want. And the charges is, believe me, not very expensive. So last time when I transferred $2,000, I have to pay around $10 fees, which is not very expensive. So this is the way you need to transfer the money if you're working on a cruise ship to your personal bank account in India. This is the only way, there is no other way. And guys, I request you, see this, my hand, I request you, please do not give money to your friend, whoever you trust, okay, and tell them to, go and give it to my family. Please do not do that, okay. Instead of that, you can go to Western Union, pay $10, okay, and just transfer the money into your personal bank account, because you never know. Have seen this in past. They say like, we are your best friend and I'm really gonna give it, and they have not given the money to your family. So this is a request from my side, and this is how you need to transfer the money. Thank you.